When working on a product with a team, we just do whatever we think is okay, right? No. In a corporate setting, you will likely hear the words Agile and Scrum being tossed around like they're pieces of tomato in a food fight. Yet you don't know truly why they're flying over your head or why they're being thrown in the first place. So what do all these terms mean? Let's have a look. What is Agile exactly? Agile is an iterative approach to work on a product. This means that working Agile is like working in some kind of rhythm. That rhythm comes back in every iteration. Why is it this way? Simply because it puts the focus on transparency, adaptation, and inspection of the work done in each iteration. All this can only be done through constant observation and knowledge gathering. Agile is based on the core principles mentioned in the Agile Manifesto. The Agile Manifesto consists of a set of baseline principles that you should try to abide by, while it is okay to stray from them. The principles are as follows: individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to a change over following a plan. Now, what would Agile look like in a practical manner? To show you, we're going to take Agile in the Scrum context. Consider a department of developers. Divide all the developers into teams depending on the skills you need within a team. All these teams or independent teams can now work on their own on the same product, without interference with other teams that have different tasks to fulfill. This means that each team can now work on their own planning, analysis, design, testing, and documentation needs for their own mini project. This in turn will result in a quick and iterative output of results for the main project. It can also show the importance of your team's role that might have been lost without the Agile Scrum approach. Also, since each team consists of only a few people, communication gets a big boost. All team members that are on location, also known as a bullpen, communicate way quicker than a huge department on their own. This also comes at a cost: documentation. Due to the quick and iterative process, Agile focuses more on having working software than comprehensive documentation. But please don't start thinking now that all the documentation can be thrown out a window, because that is simply not true. It is generally advised to still have documentation, but just have it concise enough, or at least abide by the required rules of your project. For example, a product for the financial industry still must adhere to certain rules and laws given by the government. After each iteration, the delivered products, features, or prototypes are up for rating. Only this way, learning from successes or mistakes will become an integral process of the way of working. Now that's all. Now next time someone mentions Agile, you at least know what it's about. Hey, me again. I hope you liked our video, and if you really do, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more What's About videos. If you would like to know a little bit more about Scrum, make sure to click on this video.